Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today three names dominate the semiconductor of NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. One stock is up hundreds of percent, one is quietly gaining ground, and one is trying to reinvent itself. But here's the real question investors are asking in 2026. If you could own only one of these stocks today, which one actually makes sense? In this video, we'll break it down professionally. First, the fundamentals. Secondly, what the charts are really saying. And finally, which type of investors each stock is best for. Let's start. For the fundamentals overview, NVIDIA is no longer just a chip company. It's the backbone of the global AI boom. As of recently, market capitalization over 2 trillion. Revenue growth year over year above 100%. Gross margin above 70%, which is extremely rare. NVIDIA dominates AI data centers, powering companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and OpenAI. But here's the trade-off. NVIDIA is expensive. The market is pricing in perfect execution for years. For AMD here is the challenger. It competes directly with NVIDIA in AI accelerators, Intel in CPUs. The key points: it has strong revenue growth, expanding AI presence, more balanced valuation than NVIDIA. But AMD doesn't dominate like NVIDIA, but is gaining market share quietly. Think of AMD like less hype, more room to grow, but also more competition. For the latest one, but not the least, Intel. Here's a very different story. Once the king of chips, Intel fell behind. Now it's trying a full turnaround. The key facts for Intel: heavy investment in the US and European fabs, strong government support, much lower valuation than NVIDIA and AMD. Intel is no longer a growth stock. It's a recovery and restructuring play. Now, fundamentals tell us what the company is, but charts tell us how the market feels about it. Let's go to the chart. Let's look at NVIDIA. On a weekly time frame, we have a beautiful, strong trend with shallow pullback. We have big movement associated with big momentum, and the pullback are very shallow. But NVIDIA is already expensive, and recently on the daily time frame, the price have been moving near a level of support. Every time after hitting it, the price bounce back. After hitting, the price bound. But being this expensive is very risky. The reason: when expectations are this high, even good news may not be good enough. So about NVIDIA, we should be careful and watch the next move. Maybe in the recent weeks, we will know exactly what is happening and what will continue to happen. For AMD chart perspective, let's look at AMD. AMD chart looks very different. It moves in waves. So we can see a clear movement of waves. We have consolidation, we have breakout, because price always break the latest high. And also the price always pulls back to key support level. For this perspective, it is healthier from a technical standpoint. It offers more entries, less emotional trading, more patience required. The price respects very well the support, and after hitting a support, the price definitely break the latest high with a big move. This is very healthy for traders. And like I said, patience is required here. Let's now move to Intel chart. On the Intel chart perspective, we can clearly see that it's not about momentum. It's about base building. We have a very long consolidation here. This long consolidation, usually after a long consolidation, we have a big reaction. We have a big reaction. Same here, consolidation, big reaction. We can also see that it's less volatile than NVIDIA. This tells us one thing. The market is waiting for proof and reacting to news. So the chart confirms something very important. These stocks are on the same trade. So which stocks is the best? Well, here's the honest answer. There's no single best stocks. There's only the right stock for your profile. 1. If you want pure AI dominance and momentum, go for NVIDIA. If you want balanced growth with room to expand, AMD is the best choice for you. But if you want deep value and turnaround potential, then Intel is the best. The biggest mistake investors make is treating these stocks as equal. They are not. So in sum, NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel represent three different futures of technology investing. One leads, one challenges, one rebuilds. The market is not asking which is cheaper. It is asking which story you believe in. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to choose one, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, which one and why? Like the video if this helped you think clearly, subscribe for more personal market breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.